Hello fellow travelers, I want to show you a family bedroom on an Amtrak Superliner. So somehow I managed to get booked on the family bedroom and I thought I'd share it in a video with you. So what we're looking at now is the kids side of the bedroom. Let me come over here to the other side and turn around. And this is the adult side. So you can see that this room is the width of the car. So I've got one window here and a window over here. So that's pretty cool. Then in the middle here I've got this bench, and the bench runs the length of the car. But the bench is actually two beds. So let me show you how this works. Let me stand back. So the first bench that we see is the adult bed. So up above is the adult bunk. So there's two people right here. And then over on this side of the room, I've got the kid beds. So here's the first bed. And you can see that it's not very long, and up above is the kid bunk, and you can see that that's not very big either. So that's where the kids sleep. So you can sleep 4 people in here. Here you've got your little tables, just like in the roomettes, and you've got your light controls next to the beds. Here you've got a closet. Over here you've got your trash receptacle and a little storage place. And then what's kind of weird about the family bedroom is your controls for the room are next to the door. So here's the only plug is by the door. You've got your call button and your lights. So that's a quick tour of the family bedroom on an Amtrak Superliner.